Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked NordVPN account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, click on your email at the top right, and then you want to click Account Settings. Or you can click here under Account Settings, Manage Account. Either way, it will send you to the same screen. And then here next to Password, you want to click Change Password. And now a password reset link has been sent to your email, so you need to go and check your inbox for a message from NordVPN. So the email should look like this, and make sure that it comes from support@nordaccount.com. And you can click here, Reset Password. And here you can type in your new password and click Create Password. If you're logged out, you can try to access NordVPN from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you connected either your Google or your Apple account to your NordVPN account, you can try logging in via those methods as well and then change your password. And if you're unable to log in, then you will need to reset your password. To reset your password, you want to head over to NordVPN's login page from the home page. And once you're on the login page, you want to click Forgot Your Password. Then you want to enter your email address and click Send. Then you want to check your inbox for a message from NordVPN. So once again, it's the same email. It should come from support@nordaccount.com. And here you can just click Reset Password. And here you can type in your new password and click Create Password. If you can't find your account information, then you would need to go to the next recovery step. If your email was changed, you have two methods to contact NordVPN support. So the first one would be to go to support.nordvpn.com. The site is on your screen now, and it will also be in the description as well. Then you want to click this chat bubble at the bottom right. And here it will ask you to enter in your name and your email. Then you want to click the two arrows next to them. And after that, it will ask you what you need help with. And you could just enter in the format that I have in the description and tweak it to your situation. Then click Send. And then here you can click Live Agent and wait for a Nord support agent to contact you. The second method would be to send an email to NordVPN support email, support@nordvpn.com. And for the subject, you could put account hacked. And once again, you can use the format in the description and tweak it to your situation and then send the email. Here are some tips on securing your NordVPN account. Secure your email. Verify that the email on the account belongs to you. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Enable 2FA. Go to settings and sign out of everywhere. And revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party accounts. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, join our Discord community. You'll get help from both us and other members to guide you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we offer one-on-one single and multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. Click the link in the description or on your screen now to join our Discord and get help recovering and securing your account today. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.